In this video, I will show you how you can fix this error. And the first method is for those people who use a dual monitor. So for example, I will show you, if we go to graphics here, now you can see that my screen is full screen here, should be now full screen. And when I alt tab to check something on my PC, for example, let's check eBay, and if I go back to the game, my game changes from full screen to windowed borderless, and it can be the issue. So whenever you tab out from the game, what I suggest to do here is to press Alt plus Enter to re-enable full screen mode to not get any issues. And if this does not work, then probably the problem is under the API advanced graphics settings. So you just need to go to graphics, and then you need to scroll down a bit until you see here advanced settings. Make sure to unlocked, and if it's for you Vulkan and you're getting the error, then change it to DirectX 12 and vice versa. But before you change these options, you need to do two things as well on your PC. First, what you need to do here, you need to make sure to uninstall any of the cloud service of your computer. It can be OneDrive, it can be other folder, but it can be the issue because it can take files from your local storage and usually affects how they work, and you can get this error by just for having these OneDrive things on your computer. So just re-enable it or reinstall it. Then what you need to do here is to open up File Explorer. Then you need to go to Documents, look for Rockstar Games, and then look for Red Dead Redemption. And then you need to delete this folder here. If you want to, you can drag it to your desktop or whatever you like, but it should be no folder on your documents. And then what you need to do here is to simply launch the game and change from Vulkan to Direct 12 or vice versa, and you should be not getting any errors. So yeah, that's basically it.